So Keith is calling. We're supposed to be doing the CRV review today. As you can see, he's calling me right now. Let me answer and see what he is gonna say. Hey, where you at?
Hey, I'm coming. Are you freezing?
Yeah, I'm really cold here. I thought we were supposed to be reviewing the Honda CRV today, and I'm on
my way, baby. Let's do it.
Alrighty, I've been here about 30 minutes, so hey, get here fast. Okay guys, so I think we're just gonna start reviewing the CRV without Keith because he hasn't shown up, so we're just oh, never mind, there he is. Whoa, there he is.
Right.
About time he starts to show up.
Are you guys ready to review the 2020 Honda CRV?
Hey, I've been ready, man.
Elney, what have you been doing?
I've been waiting at you. Let's do it then.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Elney, let's just do it. Let's just get right into this Honda
Let's do
CRV.
this then, yeah.
This has the ivory seats. It's an awesome color. It's also got tons of wood trim here going down the door. It's got your normal window controls. It's got some pretty cool speaker right there. All right, as you come inside here into the middle here, you've got this leather wrapped steering wheel. And one thing I wish they would have done was made it heated because it is freezing out here. It's like 30 degrees. I can't believe Elney's standing there because he's from the Dominican and he's always cold.
Yes, I'm very cold right now.
Come here and get a closer look here of the steering wheel. You've got your normal controls here on the side. You've got your cruise control on the right side. This side here, you've got your hands-free phone. It's just kind of a normal steering wheel. Over here on the left side, you've got your lane assist, you've got your collision assist right there. It's also got hands-free opening of the hatch there in the back. There's also a little handy little holder right here that you can put some change in, or maybe your ticket if you're on the toll road or something like that. You come up here, you've got your leather that goes all along the top here. You've got some wood trim. This is a really sleek looking car. I love the ivory seats. You've got this huge display here. It looks real sleek. It has the chrome around it. Right above that, you've got your air vents. You've got your emergency parking brake there. You've got your, when you come around the other side, Elney, I'll show you where the start stop engine is, but you come right down here again. You've got your climate controls. You've got your rear defrost, your front defrost. You've got your normal volumes and your sinks and your heat. Both sides, both seats of these ivory leathered seats here are heated, so that's really nice. One thing I'm a little bit disappointed at, it doesn't have the wireless phone charging pad. A lot of the 2020s have that. This one doesn't have it. But here, if you come down here, you've got the leather grip shift knob. That's kind of cool. You've got the different parking brakes and all that.
And I gotta ask you one thing, Keith. How much does this one go for? This is a very nice SUV.
Yeah, this CRV goes for $32,000. And I tell you what, we just did the review of the SLE Terrain on our last video, and that one was $34,000, and to me, this one, the interior is much better than that one.
Yes, this is a great interior. You have way more options in this one, and yeah, this thing is nice.
A cool little mirror up here on the top here. All right, LD, as we go down the center console here, you've got the gear shifter here with the nice chrome finish here. It kind of sticks out a little bit like a bubble or something. It's pretty cool looking. I don't mind it. It's got the rubber grips right here in the middle. You've got your 12-volt power right there, which I don't even know why people put those in there anymore. You've got your cup holders here. Here you've got this nice little tray that slides back and forth. I think that's pretty darn cool.
And right in there we have two USB, I don't know, two USB plugs. You see them right there.
And all right, let's check out the hatch. But first, I want to compare a couple of the other color options. So, Elney,
let me grab the camera.
Grab the camera, and I want to show you the crystal black and the magnum steel. This one here is the platinum white. It looks good. Let's hurry. I don't want to take too much time.
Okay.
This is the crystal black. Do you like it? Leave a comment. Way down here. This is the magnum steel.
Hey, Keith, I've never seen you running that fast.
I can run, baby.
Alrighty then. Alright, let's open up the hatch, and there it goes.
Yeah, it's got an automatic hatch on this CRV. I'm going to grab the camera.
Alrighty, we're in the rear, and this thing has ton of storage. As you can see right away, you see this thing right here, which is for your groceries to keep them down. I like that very much. That's very nice. Very big amount of space back here. Alright, so and also to remove this, you just kind of hit this thing up here and grab the other side, and it comes up as simple as that.
That's pretty nice.
So you just lay it down wherever you want to. I don't know. Me right now, I'm just going to lay it back here. I'm going to show you guys how these seats flip down. So very nice and simple, flip down right away. But now, as you can see, we have tons of space. We want more space. We pull this knob right here. I don't know if you can get this, Keith, but we pull this knob right here, and that seat falls forward.
Yeah, that's nice automatic drop. It's not like the gravity ones. It actually went down fairly smooth and in control.
Yes, so you have that tons of space. And I'll tell you one thing. This is a little deeper right here. Some other cars just go all the way flat, but this they kind of just made like a little.
Yeah, there's a
here.
little lip there, which
So I'm guessing it's to like keep stuff from rolling forward.
I suppose.
Which I like that, you know. But let me move this forward right here, and let me show you guys. You guys got like little cubbies on the side right here, on both sides. And right here, on this one we have a spare tire.
yeah, that's a lot of room. You can also, in the little corners there, you could go ahead and put some of your flares and safety equipment and stuff like that back there.
And all that. So let's close the hatch so you guys can see how that closes.
Yeah, I really like the hands-free closing, and as that's closing, as that's closing, I'm gonna go down here and take a shot here of the side of this CRV Honda. Yeah, all right. Check out the Honda emblem right on the front of this CRV. This is a great front end.
Yes, it is.
Most SUVs don't look this sporty, Ellie, and this one looks great. You've got the black glass finish here, and you've got the honeycomb grill. It looks great.
Yes, and we have this friend lip molding, which looks very nice. We have also the fog lights down here. I don't know if you guys can see these, but these are very nice right here.
Yeah, this is a great front end. I love the looks of it. I'm going to grab the camera, Ellen. You can tell us about the wheels.
Alrighty then, sounds good. Woo! Okay, we have the 18-inch alloy wheels and 235s right in the front and 235s in the rear. This thing is BA.
I really like the looks of these wheels. I mean, look at that. They've got the two-tone silver, so you can see there's a little bit darker, and then almost like a chrome there. And it's got this wave to it. I don't know how to explain it, but that's neat.
And I like how they add this to the side skirt, like a plastic type of look.
Yeah, that's
very good on this platinum white.
Yeah, nice trim.
Very much.
You've got the mirrors there. You've got the
LED strip light right there.
You've got the chrome on the top. This one does not have the roof racks like a lot of SUVs have.
No, it doesn't, but we, like you said, we have chrome all the way through here to the front again. You know, we have this nice side skirt of which is like a plastic, but here in northern Indiana it's very nice to have that because we have a lot of snow and they throw a lot of snow on the road, so this is very nice to have. Some people might not like it, but here we like that.
Good point, Elnie, good point. The breast is pretty common here on the back. Let's go to the tail lights.
Yeah, we go to the tail lights and we have these huge LED tail lights, you know, kind of looks like a Cadillac, how it goes up and down. I don't know if
yeah, it's not quite the same length as the Cadillac, but I agree with you. It probably goes about the whole top window portion here. You've got the nice spoiler here on top.
Yes.
Look at that. You've got the LED lights that come across the bottom.
Yeah, I don't know if you saw, we have this brake light right here. But you know, you said something with the spoiler. Look at this, how it kind of just like dips in.
Oh, yeah, let me get a side view. It's got a little wave to it.
I like that
very much. That looks real nice. Yes. You come down here, you've got the CRV logo right there.
Yeah, we have more chrome back here. That Honda logo right here, and don't forget this is an all-wheel drive right here. Alrighty guys, we will see you next time. Make sure you subscribe and click on our next video right here.
Yeah, see you next time.